Next, we will see the no argument constructor and all argument constructor. Okay, so first we will see in the traditional approach how we used to do that public student with a student without long mark. So this is the no argument constructor which we used to create in our model classes, and to create the constructor using field we use this feature and generate. Okay, so this is the traditional approach by which we used to create this constructor, and after creating these you can see these constructor here also. Okay, now how you can achieve the same thing in the Lombok. So to achieve this you need annotations like no args constructor. So you can see that you use this annotation, and this class has this facility now of a no argument constructor. Okay, and next you want this class should have the all argument constructor. Then for that you need all args constructor. So this annotation, what it will do, it will automatic generate this all argument constructor in it, right? You can see this one here. So this is the benefit of using Lombok. Means